Hello my friends! I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. It is Halloween week, and that means I have another fun, costumed Halloween-themed warm-up for you. I'm a butterfly. And at the end of this, I'm going to end with a fun Halloween round that you can learn and sing along with. While we can certainly sing in a minor key anytime we want to, it seems especially fun this time of year. So let's get to it. Let's start with a few moments devoted to breathing and alignment. Allow your fancy skeleton to support you in a balanced way and take a couple of low, slow breaths. Exhaling on a sigh. As we get the voice going, let's sing on this slow and easy pattern. Well done. Now let's hear your best haunted creaky door impression. This will ensure efficient vocal fold closure. We're going to glide down together like ee, jump in, ee, a couple more times, ee, and once again, ee. Now with that sense of efficiency, let's sing on key like key. Moving to an occluded sound, we'll sing now on Nicely done. Real quick, I wanted to make sure that you've heard about my mobile app that is full of vocal warm-ups and exercises. It's available in the App Store and in the Google Play Store, or in the links below. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. I do hope you'll check it out. I've gotten some great feedback on it so far, and I'd love to have you join us there. Now let's move to a very relaxing exercise. We're going to descend as we go on this one. We're going to sing the sounds wah-ee. So we want to allow the air to just release when we get to the top. It sounds like this. Well done. Let's sing a glide now on a lip trill like... Next, this minor pentascale will allow us to glide through each note on the sounds Vay-ah. Make sure to start each phrase with a relaxed and engaged breath. I like to make sure that I have a feeling of releasing tongue and jaw tension as I go from the A to the ah, so we don't get caught up in that A feel. The exercise sounds like this. We're going to finish up with a round. I'm going to teach it first and then we can put it all together. I'll put the lyrics in a link down below. The lyrics are from ghoulies and ghosties and long leggedy beasties and things that go bump in the night. Ah yes, it's Halloween. And then we'll repeat that. The first phrase sounds like this. From ghoulies and ghosties and long leggedy beasties. Try it, go. From ghoulies and ghosties and long leggedy beasties. And then we'll do, and things that go bump in the night. Try that. And things that go bump in the night. And then it finishes up. Oh yes, it's Halloween. Try that, go. Oh yes, it's Halloween. And we'll do it twice. You can do it as many times as you'd like. Putting it together, it sounds like this. You can feel free to join me now or the second time through. From ghoulies and ghosties and long leggedy beasties. a challenge here, so you can breathe in between the phrases, or if you're with a group, you can practice your snake breathing. Let's go ahead and sing this as a round now. We can start every 2 bars, so from ghoulies and ghosties, from ghoulies and ghosties. You can do this as a 2-part round, all the way up to a 6-part round. I'll repeat it several times. Here we go. From ghoulies and ghosties and long-leggedy beasties and things that go beasties and things that go bump in the night. Oh yes, it's Halloween. It's Halloween and ghosties and long-leggedy beasties and long-leggedy beasties and things that go bump in the night. Oh yes, it's Halloween. It's Halloween and ghosties and long-leggedy beasties 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 and Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been fun. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I do hope you'll check out my app. I'll see you next time. Keep singing.